Okay, for the purpose of mounting the TV bracket on the wall, first of all, you are going to use the bracket and position it where you want to mount it, and use either nail or the bolt itself to mark the positions of where you want to drill through and put the expansion pipe. So once you put the expansion pipe inside the hole where you have drilled through, you will now tighten it up with the screw. So here is where I've positioned my TV to be, and it's going to be in a 4 positions: this place, here, here, and here. So I'll show you how you drill through with the one, so that you can see how you do it. So we just drill through. As you can see, I've perforated the wall. So this place I'm going to put the expansion pipe. I've done it in this place, here, here, and here. So for the purpose of this training, I want to show you how you perforate the wall and put in the expansion pipe. The function of this is to help the bolt to be firm on the wall. So if you don't use this thing and you put your bolt direct inside the wall, it's going to affect it. It will not be okay. So when you put the bolt direct like that and tighten it up, it's not going to be strong. The TV will be wobbling. The bracket as well will be shaking. So once you put the expansion pipe right inside and tighten it with the bolt to give it a very rigid support, and your TV will hang on it very, very okay. So let me show you how you can now put it and tighten it up. Okay, so having done that, we'll now go ahead to tighten up the screw. Remember, I put this one washer. I added washer to it, washer. So you can still put washer so that the hex nut of the screw will not go inside. The hex round of the screw will not go inside the iron. So you can just put washer to make it relax at the surface of the bracket. So we'll tighten up everything. So as we are tightening it up, we'll be monitoring the plumb. This is the plumb. So we will monitor the plumb and make sure that it is at the center. That makes this bracket to be horizontal, so that anytime you place your TV on top of it, it will be balanced. It will not go either the right hand side or the left hand side. So we'll tighten it up. So if you're in a client house, all these things are what they will be watching you out for, to see whether you are doing it right. Okay? So let's continue. So we can now screw in. You can still use size 10 spanner to do the tighten up. It's all the same. So if I still like, I can still use the drilling machine. I can still use the drilling machine, change the bit, and use another bit head to screw everything up. It's still the same. So if you don't have the drilling machine, you can still use your spanner or use your screwdriver to tighten everything up. So as you can see, I have a very firm bracket installed on the wall. So this is how you do it and you get it properly, okay? So let me show you how you can now tighten the two hangers on the television to get it right. And we'll place it here and continue with our training, okay? Let me show you.